Hi guys, and welcome back to the Ayaba LIFESTYLE YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about taking up gardening as it has many benefits to it. Gardening covers mental and physical well-being. It is also the right season for gardening, as the sunlight during summer will help the plants grow and provide energy to help the process of photosynthesis, which is the process that green plants use to make their own food. This requires water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide gas. One of the most important benefits is that gardening can help your mental health. It can help with your focus, concentration, and it is a good mood booster. Focusing your attention on an immediate task of gardening can reduce negative thoughts and feelings, and can make you feel better in the moment. So if you're ever feeling down, gardening is a great distraction as it can make you feel more peaceful and content. It has been scientifically proven that taking part in gardening can also help reduce the chances of having health problems later on in life. It has been proven that it can reduce the risk of strokes, Alzheimer's, and heart attacks from happening. When out in the sunlight, it heightens your vitamin D levels as well as lowering your blood pressure rate. It causes you to have less heart attacks, as by eating healthy food can increase your age expectancy, as it will be getting all the natural sources that your body needs. In a 2018 study, an international group of researchers led by a scientist at Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health found that adopting 5 healthy habits could extend your life expectancy for 14 years as a woman and 12 years as a man. The study was to eat a diet which is high in plants and low in fats, which is a great segue into our next benefit, which is maintaining a healthy weight. When doing manual labor, it works your muscles so it can be seen as a form of exercise. Research has shown that an hour of gardening on average will burn between 100 and 500 calories. Growing your own fruits and vegetables give you access to fresh produce and can support a healthy eating program. Buying healthy foods regularly can be quite costly, so growing them yourself, you save money. Studies show that taking part in outdoor activities such as rock climbing, obstacle courses, and gardening can increase your attention span and mental productivity, as when doing these activities you are focusing on one specific thing at a time with no distractions around you. If you struggle with staying focused on tasks in general, gardening can help you improve your concentration. For ex-prisoners and ex-drug users with a history of substance abuse, gardening has been shown to reduce their hostility, risk-taking, and spiraling into depression. It provides you with a sense of purpose, and the patience required for nurturing a plant helps reduce the impulse for instant gratification. Gardening engages you on a regular basis because when you start something such as growing your own plants or crops, you tend to nurture them over time. You need to keep an eye on them regularly so you can make sure that their growth progress is at a normal growth rate. There are many outdoor activities that you can do for exercise where there is no major responsibilities. Some examples are sports that you can just play with your friends, dog walking, and obstacle courses. All of these are good to take part in, but there is no major responsibility added. Therefore, gardening is such a great activity to take up. The reason why gardening is good to take up during the summer is because the sun is out and the sun gives you vitamin D. Being exposed to vitamin D is a great benefit in itself, as it releases a chemical in the brain that stimulates happiness. Plant-filled areas and homes can boost memory and heighten your attention span, like we already spoke about previously. Gardening is an activity you can do all year round and should keep up with, but it is easier to take part during the summer months due to the weather and being exposed to vitamin D, which is one of the benefits. It is beneficial to take up an interest in gardening, as plants need a responsible and reliable person to take care of them whilst they are growing. When growing your own plants, you are the one that can decide what goes into your soil, allowing you to reduce the amount of harmful chemicals that are polluting our environment and waterways. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment down below if you do any gardening yourself at home. Also, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.